Clarke Quay Boat Tour. Singapore, Malaysia. When to visit, tips, location and cost. The river tours at Singapore River starts at Clarke Quay and at Bumboat and covers major attractions around the area such as historical bridges, Esplanade, and others. This is a fun way to explore the area. Clarke Quay waterfront is home to many restaurants, wine bars, entertainment spots and retail shops. The Singapore River lies at the heart of the Clarke Quay and there are boat tours that cruise up and down the entire length of the river covering major sites around the area. The boat tour takes through historically important bridges such as Clemenceau Bridge and Anderson Bridge, as well as important Singapore landmarks such as the Merlion and Esplanade on its way into the Singapore Strait. This half-hour tour costs 9 Singapore dollars per adult and 4 Singapore dollars per child, and leaves from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. daily. When to visit, January to December. Timing, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day. Duration, 2 hours. Entry fee, 22 Singapore dollars. Subscribe and follow Tripspell for travel stories. Visit tripspell.com to plan your next trip.